Hello smart investors, trust you are doing well today. My name is Adeta Yadokoya. I'm here to introduce you, show you updates, to introduce you for our new clients and for our board clients to show you updates about this wonderful 4-bedroom terrace duplex that comes with free refrigerator, free AC, free TV, and many more. It has 24 hours of electricity, hidden playground, private lounge, and also a very nice view, a mini mart within a very short mini estate. Come right here while I show you what it is like here. So from here you can have this place for your personal car park, 20 cars. So we have, this is a smart lock that has 6 functions. You can either open it through fingerprint, it's not configured yet, or you can use a card. You can use face recognition. You can try to use a key or a code. Look at it. Can you see it? So, welcome to this spacious video. You can check out the switch from here. It's unconventional switch that gives you that comfort you need. Basically, all these switch can be controlled by your phone with the use of Alexa. You can control with or without data when you are within the premises. So this is the living area, very spacious living area with a chandelier that has inbuilt speaker. Also, one thing about this home is that it comes with an inbuilt speaker, so you don't need to buy any home theater anymore. So you can control this with your phone. So this is the TV console, good lighting. We have the dining area here. This is the guest visitors toilet. It comes with Cctv. So like I said, it comes with TV, free TV in the kitchen, AC, refrigerator, washing machine, and many more. So here is the TV to catch up with updates of your program. So you can have, this is the AC, they are all free, we are giving you for free. This is the switch for the kitchen. You have your inbuilt speaker, this is the control for the inbuilt speaker. Here is the inbuilt speaker, here is the Highlander within the kitchen. You have the washing machine. This is the switch for the washing machine. You can see the switch, our smart switch. You have the cabinet for all your kitchen needs. This is a double door refrigerator that has a freezer up here and has the fridge down there. It has water dispenser function where you can decide to get water from this side. So it comes with heat extractors, the gas burner, the micro oven, all brand new. This is the microwave. So this is pantry for your needs. So come, let me show you what you have. So you can basically have here for your frame, your artworks, for picture gallery and all. So we have the family down here. 2 other rooms on this side. So we have, let me take you to the master's bedroom. Quickly, I don't want to take much of it. And this is the master's bedroom. Look at how spacious it is. Very, very spacious. Very, very. That gives you that comfort to truly say. I'm going to go on that. So we have the closets, closet. And here's the toilet and bathroom. Very massive.